Hello, and welcome to this CloudBlast tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to install a Minecraft Spigot server on a Linux VPS running Ubuntu 20.04. Let's get started. First, order your VPS and connect to it via SSH using your VPS IP. Once connected, update your system and install Java 17, which is required for Spigot. Next, create a directory for Spigot, download build tools, and compile the Spigot jar file. Once done, move the Spigot jar to a new Minecraft server folder. Before starting the server, open the EULA file. Change EULA equals false to EULA equals true and save. Now, start your server by specifying the amount of RAM you want to allocate. To keep it running in the background, use Screen. Create a new screen session for Minecraft and run the server inside it so it stays active even after you log out. And that's it! You now have a working Minecraft Spigot server. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and invite you to visit our website, cloudblast.io. Thanks for watching!